Hello everyone, I am Tarun valireddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 4 of 100 days of cloud by Kode Kloud. In the day 4, we are going to allocate an elastic IP address. In this task, we need to allocate an elastic IP address to the default VPC. And what is the elastic IP? If you want to know that in a simple words, elastic IP means it is a static IP address that doesn't change when the instance or the other things after restarting. So that means it remains same after the restarting or the EC2 instances. So if you see, when we are creating a VPC, and that VPC we are going to create a private subnets. In the private subnets, we don't provide any public IPs to the servers on the private subnets. So at that time we actually use elastic IPs to access the internet to the servers in the private subnet. So at that time we actually use elastic IPs. And in the first 3 days I actually showed you to create by using the AWS CLI, but also we can also create using the AWS console through the UI by clicking on this console URL, and we can see we are able to get the username and password for this session. We can also able to complete the task by using the console also. But for our better practice, I am actually trying to complete by using the AWS CLI. So if you want to continue with using CLI, I will try to make the solutions on the AWS CLI, or otherwise try to comment down below if you want to create the solutions using console. Then I will try to perform the solutions on the AWS console. It's actually taking much time to log in, so I will continue with AWS CLI. As usual, I will refer the documentation, and this is the AWS CLI reference documentation, and this is the command we need to create. Actually, we need to allocate the elastic IP to the domain, and we need to provide the name to the elastic IP, that was data center EIP. For that, copy this syntax to allocate the name, and also we need to provide this thing for the tag specification. And also now try to change these things to resource type to we are using elastic IP. So elastic IP will be the source type, and the key should be name. Let's try to change the name to this one, and everything we can leave it as is. Now click on enter. We can see we are actually allocated the elastic IP to the domain VPC, and this is the public IP that was allocated in the region of US East 1. Now try to check the solution. You can see we have successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like and share, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.